Welcome to Module 5. Module 5 will be talking about the transfer process. We will go over myths. You'll go over assist and what is assist and how to use assist. You will turn in an assist report so I can make sure that you understand the process and how to compare requirements for the different institutions. Then we will go into the CSU system and you will explore the CSU, explore the campuses, degrees, and see which one might be a good fit for you. You will have an assignment based on your results, and you'll have the application there in case you are applying. So that's that. You do have a San Jose City's transfer center assisting you right now, and so you'll have that information ready, including a video to support you with the application process. A lot of great information from our transfer center here. From there, you'll know more about the UC system and the requirements. What does it take? You'll create a TAP account, Transfer Admissions Agree Planner. Um, and it's basically just like a planning tool in case you do apply to the UC. So I just want you to have that experience with the UC tab. It'll take about 20 minutes to complete. You'll find out more requirements and what the transfer admission guarantee is, and the matrix, which gives you everything about the UC and their requirements as a transfer student. You go into the personal insight questions, and then you'll actually write about one of them. And so make sure you use the Reading and Writing Center or Tutoring Center to make sure you get the support you need to turn in this prompt. From there, we'll go to the private university system and the institution, the Common App, what it is, your essays, your letters of recommendations, which are needed for the private systems, and then you'll actually do an assignment to make sure that you have recommenders. You might not need the recommenders if you're not applying to the private schools, but you might need them for the scholarships, which is another reason why I'm requesting that you do the prompt here. You will be able to use it for either universities or scholarships. And then the same tool, recommenders, you might need them to ask for the university applications and or scholarships. So again, these are tools, assignments to prepare you to be successful moving forward. If you don't have to use them, great. But if you do, you already have it done. Have a good week and stay cool. It's going to be a hot week this week. So again, careful out there. Stay healthy and stay safe.